This institution is an equal opportunity provider.
Hello, my name is Eva, and I had the chance to interview Miss Janet Krapfel, and today I'll be sharing some of the tips and tricks that she shared to me. The first things to do when marketing is to know your audience. Know who your target is and know who you want to sell your products to. Then, think about what is unique. In this case, think about what is unique about your farm. Think about what your farm is. For example, businesses, agricultural. Create a logo or name. Brand yourself. Create a unique logo that no one else has. Then, a helpful tip is to make a tagline. For example, if I made one, it would be Eva's Farm, we sell turnips. Then think about what marketing is, which is the communication to people about your business or products. Farmers use it to stay in business, and people need to know about it. A very important tip is planning ahead. You don't want to wait till last minute to turn in anything or to start planning your business. Sketch add to your canvas. So before you actually make your big plan, get a notebook or a piece of paper and sketch out your logo, design, and vision for your business. This will make it very easy to market online. Now on to colors. You want corporate colors. So pick one color that will represent your business and stick with it. Do not change it. Staying safe online. First, make sure to verify all websites. Do not go on any websites that may look for a scam or may ask for personal information. Again, going on personal information, do not give out your passwords, card numbers, anything to anyone who may be asking you. Stay away from untrue stuff. Some websites like to post untrue information to entice you, but those are all fake. Some recommended social media sites are Facebook and Instagram, Microsoft Publisher, Weebly, and Wix for websites, and also Canva for making online flyers. And this is actually where I'm editing this video. Remember, on Canva, there are no undos, so you cannot click Control-Z or Command-Z to erase what you do. You would just have to go back and redo the step. Make sure that when you're on different websites that you spell check everything, that you make sure that you're spelling all your words correctly and that there's no errors, because that will not look good for your marketing. And I will show you a little screen recording of how Canva looks like to make videos and flyers.